And as I understand it, the meeting did not actually take place. Is that correct?
That's right. And there's any number of reasons why I might not have participated in a meeting, even had she set up an appointment.
Well, would you agree that one reason for not participating in the meeting is that the meeting never was scheduled?
That would be one reason.
Okay.
All right, that was a good moment. So in that situation, Chris, were you, what were you thinking in that situation?
I actually didn't think the sex with Abby was as important to this particular case as everybody actually made it out to be. I actually think the Elizabeth Warren relationship was actually more important. But whether Abby, did the fundamental thing of setting up that appointment or not was probably the most important thing at that particular line of questioning. And I just didn't want to give him that if I could avoid it.
Any thoughts on that? Dennis, any further thoughts on that?
Well, I give the questioning credit because I think it got to the stuff that we thought was more important in the fact pattern. In some ways, it didn't get to Elizabeth Warren at all, which from legal standards at our table, I think there was general agreement, were more problematic. Concerned about the appearances created by not having that meeting, but that a meeting with one vendor might have not led to a hacking is pretty speculative in and of itself.
And I like the fact that it kind of got lost the way that the answer was handled. It kind of got lost as to what the point was until counsel did come around then and say, well, one of the reasons you didn't attend the meeting is because you never set the meeting. So that kind of nailed the point at that point.